Today I'm showing you how to make zesty lemon roasted herb potatoes. Crispy on the outside, tender on the inside, and packed with flavor. I mean, seriously, why would you cook anything else? These potatoes will be the star of any meal. Start by chopping your favorite potatoes, Yukon Golds, russets, or whites, into large chunks. Then drop them into salted boiling water for about 15 minutes to parboil. This helps release the starch and makes them extra crispy when roasted. Because let's face it, nobody wants a soggy potato. While they're boiling, mix up your herb blend, 2 teaspoons of rosemary, thyme, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little heat. Oh, and don't forget the tablespoon of lemon zest. It gives the potatoes that fresh, citrusy punch. Once your potatoes are done boiling, drain them and give them a good shake in the pot to rough up the edges. This is the trick to getting the crispy bits. Spread them out on the sheet pan, drizzle with avocado or olive oil, and roast at 375 for about an hour and a half. Flip them every 30 minutes to get that perfect golden brown finish. Before serving, sprinkle your herb mix all over those hot, crispy potatoes. Add a dash of sea salt. Trust me, these potatoes are so good. You're going to be wondering why you never made these potatoes in the first place.